Hello everyone. Today our first topic is what is React. React is basically a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. It is developed by Facebook and released on the year 2011. Currently there are many JavaScript libraries and framework available in the market such as Angular, Vue and React. But out of them React is one of the most popular JavaScript library for building user interfaces. React is component based, means the basic building block of a React application is component. What is component? Component is a piece of UI which aggregates together to build a React application. Every React application has a root component and there are other several child components. All these components combine together to make a React application. If you take an example, Facebook is a React application, and if you see, there is an profile picture component available here, there is an navigation component available here, there is a feed component or the post component available in the middle, and there are other many components available on the right sides. If you go another deep down on the feed component, there is like component, there is comment component, then there is share component. All these components brought together to make a Facebook page, and all these pages brought together to bring a React application. So most of us we have encountered this question, what is the difference between Angular and React? If you see the core structure of Angular and React, both are component based architecture. But React is just a library which is responsible for rendering your view. It only provides the view in MVC. You are free to choose how you are going to handle the model and controller. Whereas Angular is a structural framework. It provides many more functionality out of the box. For example, you don't need to decide which library to select for routing. You can just import the out of the box library and start coding. However, there is a drawback that you have less flexibility in choosing the library in Angular because you have to use whatever provided by Angular. On the other hand, React, you can choose whatever library or whatever uh, JavaScript framework you want to use in your React application. There is another difference that stands out is the virtual DOM concept. So React keeps track of all the DOM element in a JavaScript object called virtual DOM. React code never changes the real DOM directly. It always changes the virtual DOM, and whenever there is a change in the virtual DOM, the React engine triggers a comparison between virtual DOM and the real DOM to figure out what has changed. And then it only updates the real DOM which is changed. So it never change the whole page. So the whole page re-rendering will not happen. It will only render the specific element which has changed. So that's all about the introduction to React. I know you all about want to see React in action, but first we will see how to set up the environment for the development in the next video. So stay tuned. Thank you.